No.
There was actually a baby alligator,
No.
I think.
No, we're going.
Hello, hello. Another beautiful day in Bali. It's 9:30 a.m. and we're heading out onto the road again. We have a backpack full of laundry that we're gonna get done. And then we're gonna head into town and check out a couple new things, including like a rice field, maybe some other walk, and then just maybe grab some food and coffee in town now that both our bellies are doing a little bit better.
We feel better.
So let's see how this adventure goes. Ready to rock?
Ready to ride.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life.
We have arrived to our location.
Well, we successfully dropped off our laundry right around the corner from where we left. And then we just arrived at the Kajeng Rice walk. It was a bit of an adventure to get up. So now we're around some beautiful rice walking. So we're gonna go and explore. So left or right?
Let's go left. Stopped for a little breaky break in a little shady spot here, and there's a nice breeze on
shack.
it. Feels real nice on the sweat.
When I saw pictures of Ubud and when I imagined what it would be,
This
is what I imagined. Just like rice terraces as far as you can see, palm trees, running water, birds. It's really nice up here. Really nice. I'm glad we came.
Happy to be here.
Happy to be here. Made it into the deep jungle, and there's this stream running beside us, which I'm sure is stocked full of alligators.
No.
I think.
No, we're going. We're going.
That way, I'm pretty sure legit was an alligator though.
Oh my God, there's alligators in here.
I was joking about the alligators, but I think I actually just saw a really small one. Because it looked like it had arms.
Where are we at, boss? Google Maps in the middle of the jungle. Where are we? Man, this is really beautiful in here. This is what happens when you just get off the beaten road. I don't even want to look in here. No, 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 no. Ew. I want to go home. Yeah, let's turn around.
Yeah.
I'm just like getting hungry.
We can go. We have left the jungle and returned to the rice terraces. So we're gonna make our way back down the trail and stop somewhere to grab a snack. Tess, what are your thoughts on the jungle?
It was cool until I saw, well, Scott saw a baby alligator, and then I saw too many giant spiders for my likings and felt too many webs. And then I saw a fucking giant lizard.
orange waroon was a great success.
Delicious.
For just about $7 Canadian, we enjoyed
a smoothie, a fresh juice, and some spring rolls. The best spring rolls we've had since we got to Asia. Oh yeah. Show us your dick. What happened there, big fella?
I might have slipped into the rice terrace and soaked my foot.
Scotty doesn't watch where he's putting his feet sometimes.
Alrighty, now that we made it back to the bike and I got my foot wet, we are gonna suit up, get back, find a place in town to park, maybe find an espresso or something, because we haven't had coffee in a couple days and we need to get fired up to do some work this afternoon.
You had coffee this morning and yesterday.
Oh yeah, you're right. Took a quick drive down the street and parked on the main road. Now we're off to go to the market, which is a couple blocks down the road, and then finally we will find some coffee of some sort. Downtown Ubud is much crazier than the outskirts. It's a nice little town, but it's chaotic. It's steamy in here. It doesn't smell great either. I don't know. Either or, whichever one you like better.
I got a cute little red top for 50. She started at 100 and then I haggled down to 50 and then I walked away. Because they started being like 70 and I was like, no, 50. And then I walked away and then I was like, no, we'll do 50. And then when I went to go pay, Scott was gone, so I was like, I don't have my monies. I got a new red shirt and I don't have anything red in my wardrobe, so yay!
Shopping in Ubud. We made it through the trenches of the market. It was hot and it was sweaty, but F had another successful outing. She got a dress and a top for like under $13 Canadian. So I would say that's a success. So now that we're out of it, we want to find somewhere to get out of the heat and to enjoy coffee. Hello. We were wandering and wandering and wandering, and then we found tucked away a little oasis called Nessa Waru.
Look.
We ordered 2 iced lattes and an affogato. We are cooled down, we're caffeinated, and we're back in the sun. We're going to find our bike, so we're gonna go to the supermarket, grab some food, and then we're gonna head home. So one useful tip for you all that we got from our Airbnb host is when you park your bike, take a picture of it so that you know where it is when you come back. This time it was easy because we're in front of a shop filled with Santa Clauses, but there's so many bikes. Alright, after arguably spending too much money and definitely too much time in the Coco supermarket, we are all set to head home, put their stuff away, and then probably shortly after go and get our laundry.
We got a bag full of yummy snacks and we're gonna make our own dinner again tonight, but we actually got some vegetables to put in it, so it's slightly healthier.
Maybe.
So, yeah, we're excited to try it out.
Ready to roll?
Ready to ride.
a nice new fresh set of clothes, all for $59,000, which is probably what, $4? Not bad.
We made it home alive. So I am back and I've got laundries and bintings. I went for a full week of detox from alcohol because my friend Sunil turned me into an alcoholic for the 10 days we were with him. Maybe in about an hour, once they're nice and crisp cool, I will enjoy myself a big tall boy binting. I am going to see if all of our laundries made it back to us. Scotty took a picture of everything because he's so smart. I don't know what I would do without that sack of brains, am I right? So he has a picture of all of our laundry before we took it to the laundromat. So let's see if everything's here. I believe everything's still here. Once my brains come home, I'll confirm. So for now, we are signing out for the vlog until we make some food later. Today was a good day. We did a lot and felt way more comfortable on the bike. It was actually fun. I enjoyed myself this time instead of subtly shitting my pants the whole time we were riding. So today was a good day, good day. This turned out quite nice.
Real good. Real good. That might be it.
Not good.
Why would you expect
Love
it
you
to be
so
good?
much. Bye.